So this is one another demo in which I am going to explain how to deploy a Spring Boot project which would be in jar form over Amazon AWS cloud on Linux machine from my local machine. So okay, so ready. So before that, to achieve all this, what we need to have, we must have one account on Amazon AWS. Over there we must have to create one machine, or we must have to purchase one Linux machine. In that machine we must have to install Java software, because without Java software we can't run Java application or any Java based application jar file, right? So after installing that JDK or Java on that Linux machine over that Amazon AWS, then we must have to make one jar file or jar application of a Spring Boot application which would be running on my local machine. After making that jar file on my local system, I will have to store this jar file onto that Linux server machine which would be running on that Amazon AWS cloud. After uploading this jar file onto that Amazon AWS cloud, which would be available at Mumbai data center. So this is Mumbai in India. Mumbai is that center where this Amazon AWS cloud data center is available. So on that machine, I I must have to upload this local system jar application on this machine, right? When once I will upload this jar file on this machine, then using that Java command I have to execute that. But how I will be executing? Remotely I will have to log in into this Amazon AWS machine from my local machine from anywhere in India. I will be logging to that machine. After logging from my current machine, I will be uploading that jar file into this machine. Then after, from my local machine itself, I will be connected with this machine, and from my local machine I will fire the command to execute that jar file on this machine. So let us continue, and let us start making that jar application, and then we'll continue further. So how we'll do that? Before that, we must have, let me check that machines where I will have. So in that instances, I have already created one machine which is nothing but Linux machine. Clear? So this Linux machine, actually it is in stop mode, because if it will be in start mode or running mode, always it will make costing, it will keep means billing will keep running. So I am using free tiers that will not consume any money, that will not cost any bill for me, but in certain scenario it can raise some amount. So better after use we should keep it in the stop mode. So I am going to make it first running. How to make it in running mode? We'll use this one. We'll use start instance. Now it will keep starting. So successfully initiated a starting of this one. Now we are able to see it is in running mode, right? Yes. So then my intention is what? To connect with this machine. So how will connect with this machine? Using my local machine. So for that I am having another software. That software name is what? Movax Stream. So we'll use that software. Using that we'll connect with our local system, as well as we'll connect with our cloud system also. So there are some criteria to follow, some commands we need to follow to perform that one. So this is what Movo Extreme will use this one. So now I am going to open this command. If we'll open this command, see, got opened, right? We'll start this local terminal. After starting, we are able to see we log in into this Movo system, then pwd present working directory, this is the home / Movo Extreme. If we want to switch for any other drive, so I am in D drive, pwd, so in that P drive, drive D, okay, ll. So this will tell us the entire file which are available into the D drive, right? So these are the files which are available into that D drive completely, jQuery, this one. So in that D drive, dir, which one is that directory? So D drive D269204, HTML, CSS, resume, new folder, this one. CTWS is also there, right? Yes. Currently I am in the CT, so two CTC. Let me go with CD, CTWS, then dir. In that we are having April 25 CT. Now you are able to check it. If we will go inside this, we'll check inside this dir what is that dir available. So it will go CD APR 25 CT, hit enter. Now dir, you are able to check complete. These are the softwares available. These are this is one, this available, and this one also available. Two things available in which one. So all these things not have shown, only directory it has shown. If we want to see all ll, now we are able to see all these files are available here or not. Yes. Which one? Now see, 20 copy util.plugin, copy util, cyg utils dot plugin. Yes. 64 plugins is also there. Movo extern backup.zip, Movo extern backup, this is the zip file. Yes. So we are in our current local system, right? Now I need to run it. I need what? I need to connect with that Linux machine on that Amazon AWS. How I will be connecting with that machine? So we will follow some commands, and according to that command I am going to connect with this machine. How we'll do that? So we are having some basic command which I will be following to connect with it. So spring, okay, okay. So using this SSH command, secure shell command, I will be connecting from this local machine. But to connect with that local machine, this is SSH is a command, and so will connect, but we need some security key. So those security key, this one APR 25 CT security key.pem. So this file will get whenever we will be creating these instances, and on this Amazon AWS, at that point of time we will be getting that security key. So using that security key is nothing but what? That contains the key. Key means what? That to get access of this machine, that key is available inside that .pem file. Clear? So see, April 25 CT security key, correct? So if we'll click on this, see RSA, encrypted, so it is having ID, right, fingerprints also. So using this key, create key pair, so using key only we are going to connect with this. So when, how will we be getting that one? Will be getting that whenever we'll creating these applications. During that point of time we will have that in the setting, then we have to download that one. Then after downloading that will be get connected. We'll use that key to get connected with this machine. Now what I am, so at this moment it's the IP ID something different. So this IP ID I need to copy, because using this IP ID only will give. So this is what username of this machine which are running on that Linux machine, which are running on that Amazon AWS, and this is the IP address. IP address is what? It is the address for a particular machine. So we'll paste it. Then after, this is the security key. This is that security key which we need to connect with them. So instead of that, what I will do here, I am going to create one folder. That folder will be local folder. So in this deploying jar file on AWS, clear? So in this I will be copying all. I need this one security key. I need this security key where? I need this security key in this folder. Using this key only I am going to connect with that machine. So before that I must have to reach at this location. Currently I am in this D drive, but I will have to, how I will be pasting directly, I will be clicking right click, it will get pasted over here, right? Now we need double backslash. This one is backslash, this one is also backslash, this one is also backslash. Now I am in this folder. Why? Okay, cd we require, no? Cd means change directory, then this location got changed, right? So now dir or ll. So in this we are having this one, yes. Now using, and this I am in this folder, and this is the security key. So this security key I need, as well as I must have to in this, I am in this location, right? From here I will be forwarding which one, since I am in this current location, so which location I will have to give it directly. Let me copy it, Control C, let me make it next. I will be pasting over here. Instead of, since I am in the current drive, so I no need this one, I no need this one, I need only this name, clear? Dot slash. In this current, this will pick security key, and then it will connect to this machine, clear? So let me copy this, come to this machine, come to this environment. After coming to this environment, let me paste it. After pasting, let me hit enter. Now see, got connected with Amazon AWS. Yes, Linux. On Linux, see, already PayPal service provider is available, jar is available. So LL or dir. So this PayPal provider service dot jar is available over here, as well as log also there. So I will be removing this one. RMDIR, remove directory name, PayPal hyphen provider hyphen service dot jar, hit enter. So this is failed to remove, not a directory. Okay, so it's not a directory, then rm remove file, hit enter. Okay, removed, right? Then this one provider dot log, removed, right? Is there anything? Dir, no. LL, No, nothing, total 0, right? Means see, once I will refresh it, it will go away, right? So currently we have login with this machine. So see, IP address is something different, right? And over here something different. So this is the public IP address. Now if you want to have the proof, let me show you at this moment. Once I will be coming to this machine now, so you are able to see this is the private IP address, right? Public IP address I have used to connect with this machine. Once I have connected, then private IP got assigned to that this one. So 172.31.0.251. so proof is this one. See, 172.31 hyphen 0 hyphen 251. So this is the IP, means we have connected with Amazon AWS. Clear? Security key, we must require the security key. Until and unless we will use this security key, we can't connect. And this hyphen I basically represent that is representing this security key only, that's it. And this is the address of that Amazon web server machine. Clear? Now this is our local machine. So let me keep it this side and this side. So this is local and this is Amazon service, right? From local I will be uploading jar file to that machine. So before that I must have to make one jar file, right? How I am going to make jar file? Since I am using Maven based project, Maven is a build tools, means it is rich in tools available. Using that Maven tools, what we can build our project, we can make a jar file, we can give a great structure to our application, we can maintain our application, any big application, major application we can maintain, as well as it is giving rich of facilities of it is having Maven configuration file which is very much powerful. Using that Maven configuration pom.xml, we can add any type of dependency. Only we need to attach dependency tag, jar file all dynamically will get adjusted into the projects. So using this Maven tool I will be creating jar file. How to create? So let me show that one. So this is project which are currently at my system. I will be making it as a jar file, but environment I must have to choose it. How I will be choosing it? I will click, right click on it, will go run as, and then I will be clicking build. Once I will choose this build, at this moment I will have to use some command, clean, then package hyphen capital P, then dev. Dev is the profile name. Profile means in which environment I want to make a jar file executable. So dev means development environment. So it will clean and it will make jar file. Package means what? Making jar file. Hyphen P, it is the syntax which will which is used to make it jar file as a development profile. I am clicking on run. So now, so talking about this dev profile. So this is what dev means development profile, local profile, prod means what? Production profile, QA means what? Testing profile, UAT means UAT profile. So only one application we can deploy it on different environment, either development, local, production, testing or UAT environment. Only one configuration. So according to our need of deployment, we'll make jar file based on this command, such that one application can execute it on this different environment. So jar file making test cases got completed. Now making jar file will be in progress. So we are able to see it will make into the development. So development, now see we are able to see development got created. Active profile is active development, right? And which location that jar file got see the jar file got generated at which location? At this location. So we'll go, so up to this location, this is the location where jar file is there, and this is the file target, up to that target, and PayPal provider service dot, this is the jar file. So we'll go to this location. I'm trying to reach at this location. How I will be pasting it. We'll go to this location. Jar file got generated, right? This is the complete jar. Jar file means what? Complete this application. We'll run this application over here. Similarly, that jar file will be running. So I am copying this one. I will be pasting where I will be pasting at this location where I have created on that desktop, right? And see, yes, on that desktop. So currently I am where? Currently I am at this location. Currently I am at this location, right? This is my home and this is connected with that machine dir. Clear? So first I must have to reach up to this location where my jar file is available. Correct? So we'll take this, copy, we'll use cd, then we'll paste, and after pasting what I will do, backslash, this slash, this slash, this slash, this slash, hit enter. Now I am this location. If need to check, so see all these files are available. 2 files are available. Jar files is there, right? So now I need to upload this file onto this location at this machine. How I will be doing that? For that I am having some another command, scp command. scp means what? Securely copying, secure copy file from source to destination, isn't it? So this I is basically representing this security key. So since, let me make a copy of it because I have changed that address, so I am making copy of it. I will be coming here, I will be pasting it. Then at this moment I no need this one, right? Because currently I am this folder itself. So my current location is in this folder, so I will make dot slash, so it will represent current folder, this file as well as current folder, this jar file. Then this is a source, this is source, and this is destination. Correct? This is destination. At destination machine, this is the folder of that destination machine. Which folder? So I will come this and pwd, present working directory. So see, slash home slash ec2 user. So slash home slash ec2 user, at this location this file will get uploaded. But if we have already seen that machine address got changed, na? Yes. So this address I will be using where? At this location. Clear? Yes. So I will copy this, Control C, I will be pasting over here. After pasting it, this we must have to keep a small, otherwise it won't work. Clear? Now let me hit. So here I don't have to click because reason being what? Copy. This is already I am in Linux machine. So here from where I have to copy? From my local machine. From here I have to copy, right? So I will be pasting this code here. From here this jar file will get placed. So now already in running, see, it is getting forwarded. So once it will get forwarded, we will check at this location. So wait for some time, it is forwarding. Still it is forwarding. 64, 67. Now still it is forwarding. Then let me check pwd. Is there anything? Nothing is there, right? It's blank, right? ll. Now see, it got copied, right? Now dir, see, got copied or not? Yes. Now come here, completed. Yes, completed. So from here if we'll refresh, now we are able to see came now. So copied file uploaded successfully. Now what I need to do, we need to run it. How we are going to run? Java hyphen dot jar, java dot jar, then file name paypal hyphen provider hyphen service dot jar. How to run jar file? Which command we use to run for jar file? Okay, let me java hyphen jar, java hyphen jar. Now we'll hit enter. See, it got started, jar file got executed, right? Now it has started at which port? It has started at port number. Which port number? See, Tomcat started on port number 8083, means successfully we have started, right? Now let me copy it. Once suppose we have connected with that machine remotely, right, and it is in running mode, something, suppose it happened something, means it, that running machine will get crashed, means will get shut down due to any external issues. So how we are going, suppose if we need to provide solution for this. Why? Because due to any disconnectivity of this machine, we can have one thing like we can get disconnected, and due to that that machine that jar file which are running on this machine can get disturbed and will get shut down by itself, right? So suppose, so we need solution, even though we will get disconnected, but it should keep on running. For that we are having one command, no hub command will use. So this command actually there, so we'll use this, and see, it has started, and we'll close this one. Now we'll see ll. So that jar file is already in running mode. What is the proof? So that running status is available in this log file, provider.log. How we are going to see that? Tail hyphen ef, tail hyphen f, then provider dot log. Now see, it has started. Whether you will click, you will close this, but still it has started. Suppose I am closing this, again I am using this one. See, still it has started on, at which port it has started at? Port number, see, with port number 8083, initiated, embedded, and then Tomcat started at port number 8083. Clear? It will close, still it is in starting mode. So ps hyphen ef, that grep command will use, grep space java. So it will tell java with the port number which are running. So this jar file is running on which port, so manually we can shut down it. We'll close this port, we'll kill this port. How we are going to kill? Using that kill space hyphen 9, then port number 11663 got killed. If we want to see once again, we will fire this command. Now see, killed already, right? Yes. So that's all for the that's all for today, and that's all for this demo sessions. And if it will go in longer mode, then my recording will get stopped by itself. So in this I have shown how to make jar file, how to upload it into that, how to log in into that Amazon AWS. Then after login, how to upload jar file from local machine to Amazon AWS, and then after uploading, how to execute that one. If you want to see on this machine AWS which Java is running, so Java space version, so 17 I have installed on this machine. If I want to check on my local machine which version is running, so Java hyphen version, so JDK 24 is running. see JDK24. Proof is that will go in the command prompt here Java space version. Now see this one is the mess. So that's all for today, and I hope I tried to explain it in well. So if any mistake would be there, so we'll correct it in the next session, next demo. Thank you. Thanks. So stopping.